Hi, I am Sayad and you are watching Automotive Revolution. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. This video is about the evolution of Suzuki Spacia from 2013 to present 2024. The Suzuki Spacia is a K-car produced by Suzuki. It improves upon fuel efficiency, is lighter and features a larger cabin than its predecessor. The first generation Spacia was released in March 2013 with 3 grades: G, X, and the turbocharged T and 658cc engine was mated to Jatco CVT transmission. The upmarket variant called Spacia Custom was released in June 2013 with 3 grades: GS, XS and the turbocharged TS. The car received its facelift in May 2015. New Z grade was added to the Spacia Custom lineup in December 2016. It has different front end. The second generation Spacia was unveiled at the 2017 Tokyo Motor Show, along with the Spacia Custom. The Spacia is available in G and X grade levels, while the Spacia Custom is available in GS, XS and XS turbo grade levels. Both are only available with hybrid powertrain. On the 20th of December 2018, the crossover variant of the second generation Spacia, called Spacia Gear, was released and is available in XZ and XZ turbo grade levels with hybrid powertrain. Both the second generation Spacia and Spacia Custom received their facelift on the 3rd of December 2021 with new grille design. On the 26th of August 2022, the commercial variant of the second generation Spacia, called Spacia Base, was released with pre-facelift Spacia Custom's front fascia while retaining the regular Spacia's rear lamps and rear bumper. It is available in GF and XF grade levels with naturally aspirated engine. The third generation Spacia was unveiled at the 2023 Japan Mobility Show.